The only one who knows the truth, man, that's him, me and you. My friends, they listen to the things I say. They listen and they hear more every day. But I know they never understand it, because it was no accident, you planned it. Why did you do it? Why did you do that thing to me? Why did you do it? Why did you do that thing to me? The only one who knows the truth, man, that's him, me and you. 1, 2. See, hit me like a hammer to my head. I wonder were you pushed or were you led? Why did you do it? Why did you do that thing to me? Why did you do it? Why did you do that thing to me?
Stretch dohrali svoj prvý hit Why Did You Do It? Elmer Gantry a Kirby prizvali do novej kapely okrem spomenutého Paula Martineza ešte bubeníka Jima Russella z Carvey Dare a nahrávania prvého albumu Elastic sa zúčastnil aj japonský gitarista Hiroshi Kato. Po nahradí 3 skladieb Kirby vyhodil Martineza a na uvoľnené miesto basgitaristu prijal svojho priateľa z detstva Steva Emeryho, s ktorým hrával kedysi v kapele Armada. To však nebolo všetko. Prvý album Stretch dokončila celkom iná zostava. Odišli aj Hiroshi Kato a Jim Russell, pretože chceli hrať viac v štýle funky. Jednu z tých 3 skladieb, na ktorých si ešte zahrali Martinez, Kato i Russell, napísali Gantry a Kirby a pomenovali ju Miss Jones. Stretch a ich Miss Jones.
It's not too late for you. He used to be so proud of his philosophy. He didn't want to live a life of mediocrity. He would be treated like he was, and now you see him hang his head because he's found out the way life is, and it's only time before it happens to you. He's found out, but it's too late. It's not too late for you. He stands on the street, not a penny to his name. People pass him by, they say he's got himself to blame. But do they know what it's like when you lose everything? They only wanna know you when you win. He's found out the way life is, and it's only time before it happens to you. He's found out, but it's too late. I hope it's not too late for you.
Stretch dohrali skladbu The Way Life Is. Elmer Gantry a Kirby mali naozaj koncerty mali vynikajúcu odozvu, komerčný úspech sa však nie a nie dostaviť. Stretch boli častými hostiami Johna Peela v BBC a z roku 1975 sa zachovalo zo pár ich živých rozhlasových nahrávok. Jednu z nich si teraz dokonca vypočujeme. Bude to klasika z repertoáru Bo Diddleyho a tu je k nej Gantryho komentár. Chlapci to vlastne hrali ako inštrumentálku a ja som dodal len skromný vokál. Kirbyho gitara to je asi to najlepšie, čo som kedy v živote počul. Tu sú Stretch a ich rozhlasová nahrávka skladby You Can't Judge a Book by the Cover.